In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place doors in Revit. We'll start right in the modeling environment. To begin, head to the Architecture tab and choose the Door tool. This activates Revit's door placement mode and tells the software you're about to add a door to your model. If you don't see the Architecture tab, make sure you're in a standard project view like floor plan or 3D, since door placement works best when you can clearly see the host wall. With the Door tool active, look to the Type selector at the top of the Properties palette. This is where you pick the door style you want to place. You'll typically find common options already loaded, such as single flush, double, or sliding. Selecting a type here sets the dimensions and general behavior of the door you're about to add. If you're unsure which to use, hover over the type name to review the preview and confirm size and swing direction so you get the right fit for your design. If the door you need isn't listed, you can load an additional family. Click Load Family, browse through the Revit library on your computer or network, and pick the style that matches your project standards. Families are organized by category and size, so take a moment to navigate to the Doors folder and then choose the family that best aligns with your design intent. Once loaded, it will appear in the Type selector, so you can choose it like any other type. Now you're ready to place the door. Doors in Revit must be hosted by walls, so simply move your cursor over the wall face where you want it and click to place. Revit will automatically embed the door into that wall. If you're in a plan view, zoom in to ensure precise placement, especially when aligning with rooms, corridors, or existing geometry. After placement, you can adjust its exact position by dragging it along the wall or by using temporary dimensions to set a precise offset from nearby references. As you place, keep an eye on the on-screen preview to verify swing direction and orientation. If the swing isn't what you expect, use the flip controls that appear with the selected door to reverse the hand or swing. This helps you maintain proper clearances and wayfinding in your layout without replacing the element. That's it. Select the Door tool, choose or load the right family, and click on a wall to place. With these fundamentals, you can quickly populate your model with accurate, well-positioned doors that follow your project's standards.